Long. We're at Alki Beach and it's freezing and it's November 23rd. We found a
strawberry tree.
Bush.
Oh.
It's a bush, right?
Because it's strawberry field.
Yeah. So the fruits, why don't you eat one and tell me what, no, not the whole thing. Just one and then try it. Turn over here, look at me. What do you think it tastes like? Could you tell friend how it tastes? Like...
It tastes like strawberry.
Really? Is it sweet or is it sour? Stay still,
Sweet.
please. It's sweet. Can you come back? And then what? 1 to 10. How good is it?
10.
10? Yeah. Would you like to grow a big? Come back. I think you're cold. A strawberry tree, huh? Yeah.
Let's pretend this is the end.
Okay. So my son is getting distracted because this is her first time here in Alki Beach, and it's you know, we've been stuck in the house because of the COVID. So look at all the fruits right here. I think he's gonna run into the video again. So you gotta pick. You go, hey, look. Let me show you. Look. Not ripe. Ripe. This one. Here, see? It just fell into my hand. Ah, okay. So that's how you can tell when they're ripe or not.
Taste? Oh, it just got off when I kissed it.
Yeah, I know, because it's ripe. So it's quite productive. So I hope you like our short video about the strawberry tree. And how about a quick view what I'm seeing today in on the Alki Beach. That's all. I thought there was only one strawberry tree here at Alki Beach. To my surprise, I did a little walk, and this tree, the fruit is
all gigantic.
Yeah, gigantic, as my son said. What? Gigantic? Oh, so huge. Let's see how it tastes. Oh my gosh.
I'm going to taste both of these.
It's a little bit gritty with the seeds. But might as well enjoy the scenery as well as it's a little what do you call it? It's not as gritty, but it has a I can't explain it. A little tarty. I don't know how to explain it, but so productive. My God, it's a huge. It's good. These are great. So if you're in the area, take a walk. Come and try some. Oh, there's another try. Okay, I'm gonna walk all the way over here. Gigantic, huh? Okay, wait for mommy. I'm coming. I'm coming. Wait for me. Oh dear, my son. You're too short for this one. Oh, but the fruit on these are so little. Look. Oh my God, I'm not too excited about this. Look. Yeah. Where are you, Long? Come back here.
Over here.
Oh, he's just monkeying around on this one. So this is very small.